Hey there! In today's video, I'll show you how to master Envato Elements, the ultimate creative toolkit with over 17 million assets ready for your projects. Whether you're a graphic designer, video editor, content creator, or educator, this platform has everything you need, from stock videos to 3D objects and much more. First things first, let's talk about what makes Envato Elements so special. For just $16.50 a month, you get unlimited downloads. Yes, you heard that right, unlimited. Plus, everything comes with a commercial license, meaning you can use these assets in your own projects, client work, or even YouTube videos. Pretty awesome, right? Now let's dive into the platform. When you log into Envato Elements, you'll be greeted by a clean, easy to navigate interface. Right at the top, you'll see categories like stock videos, video templates, music, sound effects, and more. Whatever asset you're looking for, it's right at your fingertips. Let's take a quick tour through a few key sections. If you're into video creation, the stock video section is gold. Simply type in a keyword like technology or nature and boom, you've got thousands of clips at your disposal. Need some video templates? Just head to the Templates tab, select your preferred software like Premiere Pro, and you're ready to roll with professional looking intros or transitions. Here's a pro tip: use the filters on the left-hand side to speed up your search. You can sort by resolution, frame rate, or even categories like animation or motion graphics. This feature saves me tons of time when I'm hunting for the perfect asset. Downloading assets is a breeze too. Once you've found the perfect video or graphic, simply click the download button. You'll be asked to add it to a project for licensing purposes, which is a super handy way of keeping track of where you've used your assets. Plus, your licenses stay valid even if you cancel your subscription, so no worries there. Envato Elements isn't just about visuals, it's got an incredible music library as well. Their sound filtering system is next level. Let's say you're working on a corporate video and you need a chill background track. You can search by mood, genre, and even tempo, helping you find the exact vibe you're looking for. Want to elevate your work with 3D objects? Envato Elements has you covered there too. You can download 3D models, rotate them in 360 degrees, and integrate them into your project seamlessly. And if you find yourself using certain assets regularly, you can create collections to save your favorite items for quick access later. Now that you've seen how powerful Envato Elements can be, it's time for you to take the next step. Start exploring the endless possibilities and speed up your creative process today. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials that will help take your projects to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.